Look very carefully at these shapes. Today you are going to learn about these 3D shapes. Look very carefully at this. It's called a sphere. What does the shape of this block remind you of? What do you know that is shaped like a sphere? Lots of people think this shape looks like a ball, and it's round. Another shape I have is a cone. What does this shape look like? This is a cube. What does a cube look like? What does it remind you of? This is called a rectangular prism. What does a rectangular prism remind you of? What does it look like? Here's another rectangular prism. What does this remind you of? Can you think of anything in our world that looks like this? How about the cylinder? What looks like the cylinder? Now, if I hold the cylinder this way, what looks like a cylinder? That's a tricky one. This shape is a pyramid. Can you think of anything that's shaped like a pyramid? After you fill out a poster of what these shapes look like, you are going to go on a shape hunt. When you look around, you can see lots of different shapes in our classroom. Some of them look like these blocks. You are going to go on a shape hunt and look for things that are shaped like the shapes of the poster that you fill out in these blocks. When you find something that looks like one of the shapes, you're going to write it down next to the shape on your page. Later, if you find something else, we can mark it down on our poster that we are going to keep in our classroom. I have some examples of these shapes. Here is a cone, the moon on the bottom, and a party hat on the top. Here is a cube. It looks like a block. This one I didn't show you. Here's a cylinder. It looks like a can of paint. The triangular prism looks like a tent. The pyramid can look like a gem, a ruby. And the rectangular prism can look like a washing machine.